This is the yet another interesting program of HAL, the RUAV program. And we have with us the young Kiran. We have spoken to him during 2019 Aero India. And now Kiran will give us an update on what's happening on this program.
So we presented it, as you said, first during the 2019 Aero India, during which time the Army evinced keen interest in the cargo version of this RUAV. So after that was done, so then we contacted the Army Design Bureau and we reconfigured the entire design for the Army's high altitude cargo carrying capability. So this RUAV in the current form has an all-up weight of 200 kgs and can take off from altitudes of above 5,500 meters with a payload of 20 to 30 kgs. It has a range of about 50 to 100 kilometers data link range and an endurance of up to 3 hours. This is specifically to meet the Army's high altitude logistics requirements.
So where does this program stand now?
We have already taken sanction from our board and we have begun the detailed design and development. Drawing release has already begun. We have started issuing tenders for engine and other systems. We are awaiting and by the end of this year our ground test would have begun and we expect the first flight to happen sometime early next year.
So that is, as always, inspiring to talk to youngsters of HAL. Lot of things happening, lot of young minds now propelling HAL's missions. We will keep this program on our radar. And we come to the next youngster, Sushant. He will further give little more details about the RUAV. Over to you, Sushant.
This is the, as of now, what is the version of RUAV. This is specially for Army cargo mission role ke liye hai. What they are doing Army now, with the mules and the porter, they are taking all luggage and even ration, kerosene, all these things. So this will be purely unmanned autonomous vehicle. Just define the waypoint, it will go, it will come back without any pilot's inputs. It's a properly unmanned autonomous vehicle.
Very interesting thing. It will aid the armed forces in a big way, especially in the very hostile terrain, isn't it?
Yes. The even 5.5 kilometers India की जो terrain है, this is like too much trench and all. हाँ, this okay. So अभी वहाँ पर जो करते हैं उसके लिए काफ़ी help है. Even for army they have to just minus 40 to 50 हमारा target है temperature range. So we are covering all the temperature range. We are covering altitude up to 6 kilometer and weather, almost all the weather other than rain. Just to redefine the waypoint, just put the waypoint, it will go, come back, the same point. It can take around 30 kg of payload, 35 to 40 kg of payload. You can configure your mission based on the fuel and the payload, whatever you want. That can be kerosene, that can be anything.
So Sushant, what are the timelines? Where does it stand now?
Yeah, so we have fixed the configurations now. Our configuration of NMG is freezed now. Engine specs are out. All the LRU specs are going to be out now very soon. Our target is to do the flying by June 2022 maximum. That's the flying. Autopilot spec also is going to be out. We are just waiting for the vendor to come out and the code. We have designed, all the drawings are going to be out now very soon. So our target is to June 2022 going to fly it.
June 2022. We will see this new rotor baby flying out of HAL. Let's wait and see if these youngsters will keep the deadline.